This is the elevator at Jump City Parking Garage.
It's not Jump City Garage. Let me see the camera real quick. Let me see it.
Hey, I was in a recording. There's the elevators. It used to be haunted. Just whoa! I like these elevators. This one's on 1 and this one's on 3. I smell it. Here is 6. It's a Gen 2.
Wait, we're going to the top floor.
Whee!
Oh, that's actually pretty high.
6.
Let's see how high we are. It's a Gen 2. I like these, but we gotta see how. This door. It's peaceful. We gotta see how high we are. Whoa, we're a lot higher. We're at the top.
Don't drop it, dude.
We're on the 6th floor. And we're on outer space. Ooh, circle bells. Okay, just gonna press the button. Oh, push.
Don't jerk the camera out so much, you gotta slow down what's going on.
Here we go.
Please don't close.
It's closed.
This feels weird. We're falling. I'm trying to push it down so it goes faster.
Here one. Let's send this one. I like the indicator. Send this one up to 6. And we'll just take a look going up. Here it goes. Here's go another one.
Here, let me see the camera real quick now. Dude, let me see it. Dude, let me see it. Dude. Hello, say hello to the Terminator.
These elevators are awesome. Awesome elevators.
Okay.
I guess since Starfire is a parasite, okay. So, okay. So that's it.